Where?
In today.
Why?
Because then I can meet him.
Well, guys, it's a cool, dreary Saturday night at motocross track at Tomahawk. Everybody left and went home, and I've got reservations to ride tomorrow, Sunday. Due to the pandemic and social distancing and whatnot, they have put a procedure in place where you sign up individually for practice. You can't just come sign the waiver at the gate and pay your fee and go. So yeah, I signed up to ride tomorrow, and it said camping's free at the track. So I came out here hoping to meet some local riders and make some friends, and I am completely alone. I mean, I am the only dude on the property right now. So I'm just going to huddle up in my van and stay warm and cook myself a nice pasta dinner and on my camping stove, and get an early night's sleep, read some Bible, and get ready for a good day tomorrow. Yeah, guys, cooking mac and cheese with onion. Well, I cut an onion up in it and put a can of mixed vegetables in it. So there's green beans and carrots and little bits of whatever from the mixed vegetables, and an entire cut up onion. Yeah, mac and cheese, Tomahawk motocross style, guys. Here we go. So they got their little sand pile over there. They mix the sand in with the mud. I guess I don't know if that helps keep the dust down or if it changes the loaminess of the dirt. And that's what they're doing now. We'll see if some other guys show up. See if I have somebody to play with today. I'll play all by myself if I have to. Feet off the bed, up in the air. Woo! Yeah, I just had a conversation with the gentleman running the tractor off camera there, and you know, was asking him if he thought more riders would show up and whatnot, and he was asking about the bike. He was asking about the old RM, and he knew from looking at the parts on it what year it was, irregardless of the fact that, you know, the color scheme's completely changed. He knew exactly what it was, and he complimented me on the bike, and I told him if there's a real fast guy out here, we could put them on that bike. Because, you know, I'm not fast in motocross. I'm a fast road racer. I'm not a fast motocrosser. But I told him, I said, man, I'd really like to see an A-level rider get on that bike and see what it could do. Because it's way more bike than I know how to use on a motocross track. So we'll see if we can get a hot shoe to get a few laps on it later today, maybe if it dries up. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I'm out here. I got the whole track to myself. He said, yeah, he said, we'll ride even if it's just me and you. He's going to go, when he's done with the tractor, he's going to go get his bike and do some laps. He said, yeah, we won't shut down. We'll ride even if it's just the two of us. So I basically got the whole track to myself today, guys. Where are you? What are you doing? I mean, they talk about, you know, oh, track shouldn't be open because of social distancing. I can't imagine any more socially distant than nobody here right now. So the guy on the tractor is about 100 yards away right now. So I'm more socially distant than those of you that are in the house with your family. All right, I love you guys. I wish you were here riding with me, but guess I'll have to play all by myself. What's your favorite part of riding in the mud? Everything? What's your least favorite part about riding in the mud? Sliding? Do the ruts grab your tire and make it hard to steer? Yeah. Yeah, fall down in the rut. Did you fall down today? Yeah. Yep. All right, buddy. Well, be safe. I'm glad you got your helmet on. I doubt it. I think they're going to let us ride. I think they have a controlled amount that they're allowed to have, you know, and as long as we're within that controlled amount. is rough. It stopped raining, so it's not as soupy. So the ruts are forming a little bit of firmaments. So it's nice that it's not as soupy, but you got to commit to the ruts a little more because they're getting firmer and they'll grab your wheel harder because they're drying up. I got a feeling in another hour it's going to be chop suey. Man, that was fun. It's a good time, guys. Get out of here. Put your helmets on and come ride. Come on. Thanks for coming to this Cycle for Life video, guys. We greatly do appreciate it. We're not doing this to make money. This isn't a financial thing. I've got day work, full-time job. But please do like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification button because it helps us get this information in front of other people. And you never know, maybe a motorcycle will save their life too. So wear your helmets, and no matter how fast you choose to ride, please ride safe. God bless.